Well, alrighty everyone. Now here's the thing. Now can I really practice English alone when I have no one to talk to, when I have no partner even to talk to practice English with? Well, the answer is definitely you can. You can practice, you can talk to yourself literally by standing or sitting in front of the mirror. You can do this. You don't need a speaking partner. You can speak only to yourself. You can do self-talking. You can pick up any content in English. You can watch a video in English on YouTube, and you can instantly copy that pronunciation or the entire speech while recording it in front of the camera. You can do this. And let me tell you that this is essentially going to help you to get familiar with some basic words which you didn't know before and which seems quite unnatural to you. The pronunciation of those words will get into the stronghold of your memory and will eventually help you to trigger into making use in certain particular sentences. So don't think that if you don't have a speaking partner, you can't actually speak in English. You can't learn English. No, it's not like that. You can master English by practicing alone. Be your own accent coach. Be your own pronunciation coach. Be your own learning coach for yourself if you wish to learn English. And you can do right now from any part of the world while watching this video. Well, after watching this video, you can do this. You might think that people will call you crazy or mad. Let alone be. Don't bother about it. But you just keep on speaking with the flow, with the pace, with the same rhythm, with the same intonation, with the same voice placement. All you gotta do is just keep on speaking. Keep on practicing. That's what you gotta do. And just don't look towards negativities. Never. And don't waver from the practice every time that you want to do. You need not to procrastinate. You need not to think too much about your grammar, vocabulary, or tense forms. No. You can speak directly by copying those speech patterns, what you hear in the videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video.